hope you all are fine. Today we will try to solve problem on mapping of gene order in linked genes. So before starting of this problem, I suggest you to have a crystal clear idea about physical mapping of linked genes and how to relate recombination frequency among more linked as well as less linked genes. So if you have an idea about these theories, then you will be able to solve such kind of a problem. So in the problem is that in a series of mapping experiments, the recombination frequencies of 4 different linked genes of Drosophila are determined. That is showing in the below figure. So what is the order of these genes on the chromosome map that we have to find out. So the figure shows an information of recombination frequencies that is given in terms of percentage, and of 4 different linked genes are given in Drosophila. Among them, small b stands for black body, Cn stands for cinnabaris, Rb stands for reduced bristles, and Vg stands for vestigial wings. So based on this information, 4 different options of gene order are given, and based on this information we have to find out that which gene order is the correct one. So before starting to the solution, one thing please keep in your mind, that if recombination frequency is more between 2 linked genes, it suggests that the genes are less linked with each other. But if recombination frequency is less, it suggests that genes are more linked with each other. So based on this figure, it shows that recombination frequency between Cn and B gene is 9. So I put this data over here, and Cn and B is 9, Rb and B is 3.5 in terms of percentage. So based on this information, I collect the information of recombination frequencies between 2 different genes. Frequency between Cn and B gene is 9, Rb and B gene is 3.5, Rb and Cn is 6.5, Vg and Bn is 19, Vg and Cn frequency is 8, Vg and Rb frequency is 16. Now based on the clue that I told you, try to find out the highest number of frequency. That is, I found 19, and that is in between Vg and B genes. It suggests that Vg and B genes are very less linked with each other. So I put Vg and B genes, or else you can start also from B and Vg genes, at the corner of the chromosome. Is the very first gene. There are chances that they are situated at the very first gene in the Drosophila chromosome. Now try to find out the another frequency that is lesser than 90. I found that it is 16, that is in between Vg and Rb genes. It suggests that Rb is situated somewhere in the middle between Vg and B genes. So I put Rb in the middle from the B as well as Bg genes. Now try to find out the third lesser frequency than 16. So I found that 9. That 9 is the frequency between Cn and B genes. That means Cn gene is also present somewhere in the middle between B and Vg genes. So I put Cn over here. Now the frequencies between Rb and B genes is 3.5. That is very less amount of frequency. It suggests that Rb and B genes are very much linked with each other. So in this figure, Rb and B genes are very close to each other. That means they are highly linked with each other. And the frequency between Rb and Cn gene is the second closest frequency, that is 6.5. So Rb and Cn gene, there are chances that they are also linked with each other. So I put Cn on another side of Rb gene. So the correct gene order based on the information of recombination frequency is B, Rb, Cn and Vg. So among the options that I told you earlier, option D matches our answer. So option D is the